All right, for you guys, some of you are having login issues, and I understand. I have not seen this myself. I'll show you what I see because I have a demo user that I've created. There we go. Brian Hicks, who's the #2 point leader, you guys have seen. This is my demo user who has the same access as you guys. So I know some of you are hitting state of the game and hitting this. Wow, I just saw it myself. Well, there we go. All right, well, I wasn't having that issue before. So I'm going to show you something I'm going to try here. So this is only, you can do this on Chrome if you're using Google Chrome, but it's going to get a little technical, but this might be an issue. I'm having the same problem here now, and I wasn't seeing this before. I don't know. This is why I'm so sick of WordPress. But what I'm going to do is anywhere in here, just right-click and then go down to Inspect. And what that'll do is it'll open up a window here, and this is the inspector tool for Google Chrome. Now you're going to have to resize this maybe here. What I have you do is go up here, the arrows up top, and go to Application. And what you're going to look for is cookies down here. Now this is where you can see everything that's being stored by whatever website you're looking at, actually. So you can see what's being stored here and storage. But what's most important here is cookies. I think what's happening is the cookies are getting corrupted somehow because of the WordPress issues. So what I'm going to have you guys do is go in here and go. Now you can go in your cookies here. You got to actually click on the trainer method right here to see what I'm looking at. But you can see WLM test. And now this is WM cookie check. This is wishlist member. This is the plugin we're using inside of WordPress to manage the members area here. And I think what's happening is these cookies getting corrupted. So what you can do is you can go in here and clear all these cookies, or you can just delete the selected ones. I'm going to go ahead and just delete them all for this site, and that's fine because what it's going to do is have me log in again, and hopefully this clears this problem up. Let's see. So I'm going to refresh this. I'm going to try to log in again. Make sure I log in with the right user here. Let me try this user and see if this is a different one. Nope, that's not the right one. Let's try demo user. Okay, so now you see the cookie's back. The cookie's back because I logged in and now it's showing here again. Now, let me see, we can go here, see if this shows up. So see, now it's showing up for me. So I think that's what's going on. These cookies have gotten corrupted because WordPress is doing a lot of complex dancing in the background here. And I just think that's what's happened. So go in there, clear out your cookies this way. And this is what you can do on other sites in the future. You're ever on a website that's acting weird and it's not acting like it used to before? Happens quite often on complex security sites like bank sites, or PayPal has it quite often. Our Bank of America site has it quite often. It's usually a cookie issue. So you can just go in and clear those cookies. Now you don't want to go in and clear all your cookies for your entire browser, because then it's going to cause a lot of problems you don't want to have. Because cookies are a very vital thing. They are very important for tracking and making websites work. It's what drives the internet. We wouldn't have persistence on the internet without it. So you want to do this the way I just showed you, to clear the cookies out of just on trainer method, and then try to log in there. So with my test user, I'm able to now go to see state of the game and make sure I can go to the quest. Load. Another reason I'm sick of WordPress is too damn slow. Okay. The lightning fast hosting, still slow. So this looks like it's okay. What's important here is you guys can get into second module. It's all the new stuff, and here's all the content here. Yeah, it's all working here for my demo user. So you guys saw I was having the same issue a lot of you have, and I really strongly, I'm pretty much proven now it's the cookies. So there you go. That's what you do to fix this. Thanks, guys. Hopefully you guys can fix this yourself. If not, we're just a couple weeks out max. We're going to be able on the new system, but this is what we got to work with for now. So appreciate you all. Let me know how it works.